So this is just the most basic example of using GitHub, and in particular for these SEISMIC projects. So this is the main website, the SEISMIC website for those projects, and they're organized. Typically, a user like this, a SEISMIC 2020 user, makes many projects contained in these repositories. And so there's only one repository right now, this working group one, project one, that we've added here. So I can click on that and open it. And you can see it takes me to another screen here. See, it updated the address here just by the name of the repository. Pretty simple. You can see down here there's some code, but what's often useful before you get into these too far is to look over here at the wiki. So that wiki is just something a collaborator can make, and I'll talk about collaborators later. But it's a description of the project, some basic useful things about the project, links to other files elsewhere, these sort of things. So that's a useful thing to have. But if I go back over here to the code tab, I can go in and see, okay, look at how the code's organized, and I can see there's a README here that needs more work. Could be more descriptive. I can go and open up a file folder here and look at the files in that folder and open one of those and just see what's in it. So that's what's in it. May or may not be well described there, but if I just wanted to download that, I took a look at it, I could just do a right click and save link as, right, and download that. And so I think that'll be a way for a lot of people to function, is just to download individual scripts at a time. But as many of us know, it often works out that many of these scripts depend on one another. And so just to download one script, one file and run it may not work so well. And so at that point, you need to start downloading many scripts or many of these. And so it can turn out that there are different ways or better ways to download these and to use them locally.